it looks like the Black Death. It's not that loud.
They all look fabulous.
They do, don't they?
Look at the one in the blonde hair.
Oh my gosh, look at the one with the black. Oh my gosh.
It looks fabulous.
Oh my god.
Hi, I'm Chris.
Hi. Your mouth. Look at that. Look at.
Hi, I'm Flower. Flower the flower.
Look at that beaming red light. My god.
Hi, I'm Flowey.
The soul of determination comes upon us.
Hi, I'm Chris. I am the owner of Determination. You can thank me for this. Peace.
Whoa.
Oh my god, they have kind of sand jumpers if you think about it.
Oh my god, fresh jumpers.